So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's campaign we go about looking at how we can sync animations with cue points. Now if you look at this slide here, you'll see this small little 1, 2, 3, 4 written. So these are nothing but cue points. They kind of provide us with cues or signals so that kind of we can then use our audio or perhaps animations to kind of line up properly. Well, if all that sounds confusing, let's go ahead and first preview the slide so that we know what we are speaking. So,
Effective managers delegate wisely, set clear goals, recognize achievements.
perfect. So you could see like how the text in each of these instances neatly lined up with the audio, and therefore like it appeared as if like they were in sync, and all of this kind of is possible to a large extent with the use of these cue points. So kind of we'll try and build this up. So I will just have a slide and then basically a new slide, a blank slide, and then maybe insert a certain character. So Marilyn, so right, so we will take her, we'll crop her, so on the outline, and then click anywhere outside, just make her a little more big, maybe a little more cropping, and she's good to go. So now we need to have a certain text box which says effective managers. So this is like the first one. Let me just bolden it up a bit. So yeah, and then like I need to add or insert another text box. So delegate wisely, set clear rules, and recognize achievements. So yeah, and then I can just go ahead and just make them a little big and make this still bigger. Maybe have it at say 32 something. Yeah, so far so good. And now like since they are part of the same text box, now what do we need to do? So we need to like head towards animations, and here entrance animations, presently it's none, let us make it fade, effect options. So as of now they appear as one big text box, so we can make them like first let's bullet them out. So we'll go to home and use bulleted points. So now it's lined up clearly. Next you can also do some paragraph spacing, and okay, it's at line spacing 1, so it's perfectly fine for me. And like I was saying, still they are just part of one object, so you want to have say 3 different objects in case we are putting up audio. So how do we do that is like click on the outline, go on animations, go to entrance animations, effect options, and as of now it's one object, so I want to make it paragraph. And now you can see small little drop down comes, and so now you can like take them, and this is the end of the timeline, so you can drag this. And so set clear goals will be next, and then like recognize achievements. So look at how it spans out when we speak. So effective managers also may come a little late, so let's see how things go. We'll take that timeline a little further. So I want to now record my audio, and then like we'll use cue points. So let's see. So like here there's an option of inserting and then going to audio and then recording the mic. So I have a microphone on my system. So let's go ahead and read out this text. Effective managers delegate wisely, set clear goals, recognize achievements. Now this audio file gets created and it gets added to the timeline like you see. And the start of the audio file can be recognized with this little spike out here. So we can go ahead and match this with this. Then the next one can be matched with the start on this. But rather than doing it this way, we also can do it with cue points. So what happens is, this is basically the playhead, and now we will press the space bar and we will use C on the keyboard. So anytime we hear effective, we press a C. Then we hear delegate, we press a C. Then we hear a set clear goals, we press a C. So cue points get created on the playhead, and then we can align these objects with those cue points. So first cue point, second cue point. So look at that. So I press space bar.
Effective managers delegate wisely, set clear goals, recognize achievements.
So I can see that, this recognize achievements needs to be aligned with 4. So what I can do is I can right click and align to cue point and cue point 4. So it will automatically go to 4. This set clear goals needs to be aligned with cue point 3. So cue point 3, although it's almost done properly, delegate wisely, align to cue point 2. So cue point 2 and effective managers, I think is correctly done. Cue point 1. So the idea here is that when they come on screen, this effective managers and delegate wisely and all this, so they are in line with the audio, so they are in sync with the audio. So I will now Control S, that is save the project, and then preview only this particular slide. So let's see.
Effective managers delegate wisely, set clear goals, recognize achievements.
Perfectly perfect. So that's how you can use those cue points and sync any text or object or animations to fall in line maybe with audio or maybe with other things. So these cue points can be pretty valuable. So that's what the tutorial is all about. It's about syncing animations with the help of cue points. I hope that makes sense, and we'll catch you in the next one.